This is Letitia from the Danielle and Letitia Show. Right now, Danielle's in the washroom. And I'm sitting outside my window, and I think I'm going to fall. Yeah. Let's wait for Danielle. Are you done in the washroom yet? You are on the Danielle and Letitia Show. And you're doing up your boat. And I'm still hanging out the window. Hey, Ron! We're on the Danielle and Letitia Show. Ron!
Hey, take a picture. No, I'm kidding.
Ew! Hey, hello, Danielle. You're messing up the Danielle and Letitia Show. Woo! Okay, we will take it right here.
Oh, fuck yeah, Ron. Fucking nice.
I told you.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know they're B20 legs too. You gotta roll a joint with someone smoke one.
I'm kidding me. I fucking start boiling my fucking put a car patch.
Oh, that stupid bag.
Here.
Danielle,
take
still
that
recording.
joint, you can have the rest.
It's still recording.
This is more than a 20 bag though. It's 2 grams. Like that's fucking. Look, these are
Okay,
roll a
okay,
joint
okay.
each.
Okay.
Roll a joint out of one. There's 2
Peace
pieces
out for
there.
now.
Yeah.
You know,